how to unblock someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to unblock someone on Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the 3 horizontal lines menu in the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find and tap on Blocked Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the users you have blocked. Find the user you want to unblock and tap on their name. Then, tap the Unblock button on their profile. Confirm Unblock. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Unblock again to confirm. Following these steps will unblock the user, allowing them to interact with your profile according to your privacy settings. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one!